Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 2 Cumulative Furniture. Says basically this is the second chapter of Excel section of my IT lab course. This is the newly introduced course in 2022. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignments, you can contact me on WhatsApp, email, or WeChat ID mentioned in the description of this video. My email and WhatsApp is showing at the bottom of the screen as well. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, all other programming assignments, statistic and mathematics, etc. So let's start this assignment and solve this assignment step by step so that you can get your assignment done by watching this video. Title of the assignment is Exp22 Chapter 2 Cumulative Garten Furniture. This is the second chapter in Excel section of my IT lab course. At start of the instruction, you can see the project description, this one. Basically, this project description has nothing to do with the assignment, but you can read this to get an idea about the assignment. I will suggest you to have a reading to this project description so that you can understand this assignment. But main part of the assignment are these steps from step 1 up to step 21. So we will solve these steps to get this assignment done. So first step of the assignment is Start Excel, download and open the file named Exp22 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Furniture Sales. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So this is the Excel workbook that we are supposed to download from the Pearson dashboard, and you can download this from your My IT Lab dashboard. And this is the file where we will apply all these steps to get this assignment done and make this assignment in the final form for the submission. So we will move to step number 2 because step number 1 is just about downloading the file. So let's do step number 2 now. And step number 2 is insert a function in cell C3 to display the current date and ensure that the format is set as long date. So basically we are supposed to insert a current date, and then we will format that current date as the long date, and we will do this in cell C3 using a function. So we will simply go to cell C3. This is C3 and we are supposed to insert a current date, and that we can use by using the today function. So we will click on the formulas tab and go to date and time and look for today function. This one. So you can see that it is showing the current date, that is 27th of July 2023, and now we are supposed to make this current date as a long date. So now we will click on the home tab and we will make it as the long date from here. So when we will make it long date, it will show us the weekday, then the date. So it is formatted as long date now. So this is all about step number 2, where we were supposed to insert the current date. So step number 2 is done, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 3. Step number 3 is set column C width to auto fit. So now we are supposed to make the column C as auto fit. So simply go to the Excel sheet and double click here, and it is auto fit now. So we have made the column C as auto fit now. So we have solved 3 steps. Now we will do step number 4. Insert a function in cell D11 to display the item name based on the provided inventory lookup information in the range B24 up to D29. B24, this one, up to D29, this one. So we are supposed to display the item names. Then it is saying that be sure to use the appropriate absolute cell referencing, and the function returns the exact match. Copy the function from the cell D11 down through D19 to complete the column D. So now basically we are supposed to display the item names in column D. And these item name based on the provided inventory lookup information. So these are the lookup information. So we will show the item names based on their SKU values. This one. We are supposed to show these item names in column D using the lookup function. So for this we are supposed to use a lookup function. So we will simply go to the formulas tab, and you can see lookup and reference formulas are here. So simply click this one and look for the lookup function, and you can see that this is here. So now our lookup value is this one. So and our table array is given, that is B24 up to D29. D29 and column index. Now column index will be 2 because in the table array description is the second column. So I will simply type 2 here, and it should be exact match. So I will type false here. So this will be the final formula, and you can see that for 294211 it is showing the leather sectional. So this is the item name. So we have created a formula using the lookup function. Now we are supposed to copy the function down to the column up to D19. So I can simply use the autofill. So let me compare these values now. Let me look for this one. 306862. 306862. This one. 306862. And it should be entertainment center. You can see that it is entertainment center. So 643081, 643081, it is dining table, and you can see that it is dining table. 643081. So we have used a lookup function to show the item name based on the inventory information given in the range from B4 up to D29. So we are done with this step, and we have shown the item names based on these inventory information. So now I will move to next step, that is step number 5. Step number 5 is insert a function in cell F11 to display the item price based on the provided inventory lookup information. So it is saying that insert a function in cell F11 to display the item price based on the inventory information. So in step number 4, we were supposed to display the item names, this one, based on the inventory information, but in this step, we are supposed to display the item price. So item price is the third column in the inventory lookup inventory information range, that is called table array. This is the third column, and now we are supposed to show these prices. So it is saying that be sure to use appropriate absolute cell referencing and the function returns an exact match. Copy the function from F11 down through the F19 to complete column F. So this is, we will again use the lookup formula or the lookup function as we used in step number 4. Only the difference is in step number 4 we were supposed to display the item names, but now we are supposed to display the item prices. So we are supposed to use this lookup formula in F11. So we will simply move to F11, this one, and again we are supposed to use the lookup formula, and again I will simply move to the formula step. This is the formula step, and again look up references and look for the lookup formula or lookup function here, this one. So our lookup value will be Ch02 column, that is C11, because these information as matching to the table array. So I will use C11 as a lookup value for this one, and the table array will be, table array is the inventory information, that is B24 up to D29 column index. So now you can see that the inventory information or table array has 3 columns: SKU, description, and prices. So now we are going to show the prices. So our column index will be price column, that is third one. So I will type third one, and it is showing that it should be an exact match. So for exact match we always type false. So now you can see that for 29, 4 to 11 and leather section, price should be 1399. You can see that 294211 leather sectional price is 1399. So we have shown this, and now we are supposed to copy this formula down to the column to get the other values. So we got the values for this one, but let me compare, let me look for this one. So you can see that 643081 has a price of 599, and you can see 600, but when we will change it to 2 decimal places it will be 599. So we are done with step number 5. So I am showing you this assignment step by step, and you can do this assignment on your own. But if you want me to do this assignment, my WhatsApp and email showing at the bottom of the screen. Contact me and I will do this course for you. So let's move to step number 6 now. Step number 6 is saying that apply currency format to column F. So now we are supposed to apply the currency format to this column F. This is the column F, and we are simply supposed to apply the currency format. So I will select the currency format from here, and I have applied the currency format to this column F. So we are done with 6 steps so far. So let's move to next step, that is step number 7. So step number 7 is insert an if function in cell G11 to calculate the total due. So now we are supposed to calculate the total due in cell G11. So we are using a if function. So there will be two conditions for this if function. So first condition is if the customer has chosen delivery column E is equal to yes, mean if the customer is taking it as delivery, mean it is yes, then there is an additional delivery charges located in L11. So L11 is where is L11? So additional delivery charges are here. That is 75. This one $75. If the item is not delivered, the total due is price. Be sure to use appropriate relative and absolute cell references. Copy the function in cell. So we are supposed to calculate the total due here. So we will simply type an equal sign and if function because we are supposed to use an if function here, and click on this insert function symbol so that we can put the function arguments. So logical test is if E is equal to yes. So we will type if E is equal to yes. That means if the customer is taking their delivery, then the price will be E11. Sorry, if E11 is equal to yes, then the price will be the base price, this one, that is F11 plus the additional charges, that is L11. As mentioned in the instruction, there is an additional delivery charges located in cell L11. So I am simply showing that if customer is taking the delivery, if it's mean E11 is equal to yes, then the price will be price plus L11. Otherwise, it will be only equal to price, that is the F11. So now you can see that the first customer is taking the delivery, so there is an additional charges. So we are supposed to copy this formula down to the column, then I can show you the comparison for this one. So now you can see this one. This customer is not taking the delivery, so price will be equal to the price, that is the base price 468, and you can see that this is the 468. So yes, this one, that is the Higgs, it is not taking the delivery, so price will be again 468. So this one is no, mean there is no delivery charges, so price will be the base price, that is 600. But let me look for this one, mean Lee is taking the delivery, mean E is equal to yes, then 468 plus 75, it will be this one. Sorry, 1 minute. This one. So it is now giving the correct value because we were supposed to use L11 as the absolute cell reference. So now it is giving us the correct values. So we are done with this step, that is step number 7, and now I will do next step, that is step number 8. Step number 8 is we are supposed to apply the currency formula to column G. So we will simply select this column G and we are supposed to apply the currency formula to this column. So we have completed 8 steps out of 19 steps. So that is almost half of this assignment. Step number 9 is insert the function in C cell I11 to calculate the first customer monthly payment using the appropriate relative and absolute cell references. Place a minus sign to left of the present value argument so that the function returns a positive result. Copy the formula down to the column. So basically in this step we are supposed to calculate the monthly payment, and we can calculate this monthly payment by using the EMT function, and we will make sure that monthly payment should be a positive value. For this we will use a negative sign before the present value. So we will move to I11 and we are supposed to use the monthly payment function. We can use from here or type PMT and it will show the monthly payment function. So now insert this function symbol rate. So interest rate is given here, this one. NPR is given here. Present value is also given. So interest rate will be divided by the number of month, this one, and NPR will be this one multiplied by the years. So total years are this one, and present value is given here, and we will type minus sign before this one. So we will get the monthly payment for this one. So now we are supposed to copy this function down to the column. So I will simply copy this down to the column and we will get all the monthly payment functions for this one. So basically I have completed 9 complete steps in this assignment, and for the remaining steps I will just give you an overview and I will show you the final version for this assignment so that you can complete those steps on your own. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, you can contact me on WhatsApp or email showing at the bottom of the screen, and you can hire me to do this complete course for you. Let me show you the final version for this assignment now. So this is the final version for this assignment. So when you will apply all the remaining steps, then you will get a final version like this. So I have completed this assignment hundreds of the time, but if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, you can hire me for this course, including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or any other assignment. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. Thank you so much again.